Hello viewers, welcome to Kavi's Math Period. Let us discuss a problem in mensuration. A cylindrical glass with diameter 20 cm has water to a height of 9 cm. A small cylindrical metal of radius 5 cm and height 4 cm is immersed in it completely. Calculate the rise of water in the glass. So here what is given? Cylindrical glass is given. Let us draw a rough diagram. So cylindrical glass is given and the dimensions of cylindrical glass are given. That is, height is 9 centimeter. That means up to 9 centimeter the water is filled in the glass. So let us take this height, and this height is given to be 9 centimeter. And diameter of the cylindrical glass is given. So diameter is given to be 20 centimeter. Now a cylindrical metal is immersed in the glass. So let us take one cylindrical metal. Now this is placed inside the glass. So when we place a cylindrical metal inside a glass, we know that the water level will get raised. So here the water level will get raised. Now the radius of this small metal, so for this metal, radius is given to be 5 centimeter and height is given to be 4 centimeter. Now what is asked? We have to find the rise of water in the glass. That means this height we need to find. So for this cylindrical metal, let us take a radius as small r and height as small h. And for this cylindrical glass, let us use capital notations. That is, capital height is taken as capital H and radius is taken as capital R. So now let us segregate the problem. That is, first one is cylindrical glass and next one is cylindrical metal. So let us write what are the given data. For the cylindrical glass, diameter is given. So D equal to 20 centimeter. Therefore, radius capital R equal to 20 by 2, that is equal to 10 centimeter. Now for cylindrical metal, radius R is given to be 5 centimeter and height H is given to be 4 centimeter. Now we need to find the rise in water level, which denotes capital H. That means height of the cylindrical glass. That is what we have to find. So let us find this. Now here, according to the given condition, the rise in water level will be equal to the volume of this metal immersed. That is, volume of water rise. Volume of water rise will be equal to volume of cylindrical metal. Volume of cylindrical metal. So we know that volume of a cylinder is given by pi r squared h. Therefore here pi capital R squared capital H is equal to pi small r squared small h. So here pi gets cancelled. Therefore we have capital R squared h is equal to small r squared h. Now what we are going to do is, let us substitute all the values that are given in the data. So here we have capital R squared, that is capital R is 10, therefore 10 squared into H equal to small r squared h. Small r squared is 5, so 5 squared into h is 4. So which will give the value as 100 h is equal to 25 into 4. So we need to find what is capital H. So capital H is 25 into 4 by 100. So here we know, as on cancelling, 25 one time, 25 4 time, 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Therefore capital H is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore rise in water level of the cylindrical glass is given to be 1 centimeter.